If you're bored with the default Windows 11 look and want a fresh new design, this video is for you. I'll show you how to change themes. Open Settings. Go to Personalization. Click on Themes. Click Contrast Themes. Select any contrast themes. Click to apply. Set a wallpaper.